Hi, my name is Dino Morea, and I am going to take you all through what I eat during the day. My morning breakfast is fruits, sometimes eggs, sometimes some nuts. It's always mixed up actually. It depends what my chef really prepares on that day. I have a chef. What do you know? It could be puttu. I don't know if who knows what puttu is. It's sort of like flour and bananas, and it's a very South Indian Kerala sort of dish. Or some days poha, or some days upma, some days idli, some days dosa. It sounded like a rap, but I mix it up. I just eat a great breakfast every day. My lunch, if I am on a shoot, it would be light. It could be lots of mixed vegetables, dal, rice, maybe some chicken, like a tandoori chicken, if I needed more protein. I'm not too fussy about food. If I'm on a shoot, I eat light amount of whatever's there. If I'm at home, I try to eat, still light. My lunches are light because if I eat a heavy lunch, I'd knock off. So lunches are fairly light, always mixed up. Some mostly vegetarian, and some days it could be chicken or lamb or whatever. There's no particular. I eat 3 meals a day, and जो बचपन से करता आ रहा हूँ वही मैं करता हूँ. I just eat well. My dinner nowadays I've started eating lighter, so I sleep better. As you get a little older in life, your digestive system can't really handle excessive food in the night. So soups, mostly soups, or just some, nice healthy vegetables, or just simple rice dal with sabzi. So I keep it all fairly easy. Mostly home cooked, hot food is what I eat. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I cheat nearly every other day. I have burgers, or I have a pizza, or anything that's considered cheat, I eat pretty often because I play a lot of sport. So for me to, not be bothered about really cheating is fine. So I eat just about. Sometimes at home we make some great burgers, or if it's ordered from outside, we get some really good. I love burgers. So burgers, pizzas. What else is considered cheat? Pani puri, love it. Dahi puri, or sometimes even chole bhatura. Hi. Or like some nice parathas or Amritsari kulcha. बस हो गया. Wait. Dino doesn't really cook, but if he had to on a day, like when I first moved to Mumbai and I had to cook, then I would make eggs, anda burji, and anda burji with mirchi, and anda burji with sabzi, and anda burji with more butter. So I was very good at anda burji. I love any good South Indian. You give me dal, rice, poriyal. Poriyal is like a sabzi. If you go to Kerala, you'll have like poriyal mixed vegetables. So yeah, that with some little gunpowder, or there's a little chili with ghee. I can eat that every day. Firstly, don't be on any crash diet. ये बेवकूफ़ी है. It's silly to go on any crash diet. Don't do all this nonsense diet stuff. जो बचपन से करता आ रहा है वही करते रहो. Eat small meals. Simple science है. जितना अंदर डालोगे ना, you understand, right? You have to put small amounts. You put small amounts, you'll stay small. You put large amounts, you'll become big. So don't, so this is simple, really. But eat everything. Eat होम कुक्ड हॉट फूड सबसे बेस्ट है. वेजिटेरियन इवन बेटर. Sugar, remove from your life. And that's it. You don't have to go on any crash diet. And for anyone who wants fitness tips, start exercising. That's it. There's no fitness tip. कि यहाँ पे एक डिसीजन ले लो कि मुझे करना है एक्सरसाइज, चाहे वो वॉकिंग, जॉगिंग, स्किपिंग, कुछ भी. बहुत सारे एक्सरसाइज है आजकल, इन्फॉर्मेशन बहुत है इंटरनेट में. कर लो, शुरू तो कर लो. That's it. You don't need to go to a gym also. Just go for a nice walk, stretch, take a झाड़ू and clean your house. वो भी एक्सरसाइज है.